In today's video, we'll be looking at how to streamline your inbox for email automation. If you are new to this channel, my name is Amadi God knows. So let's get started. As your email list grows, sending emails manually to individuals becomes impracticable due to his time-consuming activities. But don't worry, that is the essence of today's video, to guide you through how to automate your email campaigns and ensure that your subscribers receive the right messages at the right time, whereby making your job a whole lot easier. The term email automation are carefully planned emails to be sent out to subscribers at specific time intervals or a response to action of users on a particular website. This could include sorting emails, sending predefined responses, scheduling follow-ups, and others. Email automation is a game changer when it comes to time saving, delivering targeted messages, nurturing leads, and optimizing marketing efforts. By automating your campaigns, you can create a more efficient and effective communication strategy that drives engagement and boosts your overall business growth within the space of time. Imagine you woke up to see email inbox filled with neatly organized mails, like important messages flagged and prioritized, and routine tasks taken care of automatically. That sounds impossible to you, right? Well, with email automation, it can become a reality. So let me walk you through automation benefits. Benefit number one is that it helps you save time and increase efficiency. What that means is that with email automation, you can set up a series of pre-scheduled emails that are triggered by specific actions or events, and this helps you to say goodbye to manual sorting or repetitive tasks. Instead, you can focus on important emails and high-value activities and still deliver timely and relevant content to your subscribers. Benefit number two is that it helps you deliver targeted and personalized messages. When your inbox is automated, it enables you to segment your audience based on their behaviors, preferences, or demography, and this segmentation allows you to send targeted messages that resonate with each subscriber's need, which takes us to benefit number three, which is it helps you nurture leads and build relationships. Email automation enables you to create automated workflow that guide your subscribers through a personalized journey. With this, you can set up a welcome series to greet new subscribers, nurture leads with educational content, or re-engage inactive subscribers with targeted campaigns. It's a continuous communication that will help you build relationships that will increase your likelihood of conversions. That takes us to benefit number four, which is it helps you track and optimize performance. Email automation platforms provide valuable analytics that allows you to track the performance of your campaigns. This can be achieved by measuring open rates, click-through rates, and conversions to gain insight into the strategies that is working and leverage the data to optimize your automated workflow and refine your email marketing strategy. So I'm charging you to explore this email automation opportunity if you haven't, because the right time to start harnessing the power of automation in your email marketing is now. There are some practical examples of email automation you can implement in your inbox right away. Number one is creation of pre-written responses that will be sent out when certain event happens. Email automation tools provides a way to create and save pre-written responses, or you can create your own email responses that contain the content you want to promote. Once you have composed the email, you can save it as a pre-written response for future usage, and you can segment the responses into categories based on interests or topics. For example, you can have separate folder for customers' inquiries, business partnership requests, or frequently asked questions. Although it's also important to personalize them to maintain a human touch always, by including placeholders for specific details like the recipient's name or the company in the email. This is to avoid overly generic language and trying to tailor your content as much as possible. The customized pre-written responses should be regularly reviewed and adjusted over time to remain relevant to his purpose. By leveraging pre-written responses, you can significantly reduce the time spent on repetitive email tasks, ensuring consistent and efficient communication among your subscribers. Number 2 is application of email folders in your inbox. This is a section of email automation that enables you to define specific rules to automatically sort incoming emails into different folders or categories. These rules could be sender's email address, email subject line, email keywords, or other attributes of the email. How this operates is when an email matches a specific rule, the filter will act by moving the email to a designated folder or apply a corresponding label to that incoming mail. With filter application, your inbox is organized by prioritizing critical messages, increasing workflow efficiency, and reducing information overloading. Another aspect of email automation we can't leave untouched in this video is autoresponder feature of email automation. Autoresponders are automated email responses that are triggered by specific actions. This section of email provides an instant reply to email senders, acknowledging their message and providing relevant information based on their settings. There are a lot of autoresponders you can set up in your inbox depending on your needs and purpose of the responses. One of the autoresponders email you can set up in your inbox is out of office autoresponder email automation. This is a section of automated response to a sender of an email telling him or her that receiver is out of office at the moment, and if possible provide an alternative contact if need be. Number 2 autoresponder you can set up is confirmation autoresponder email automation. This is used for online form registrations or sign-ups acknowledging the receipt of the user's action. This is like reassuring the sender that their request has been received. The number 3 autoresponder that you can set up in your inbox right away is thank you autoresponder email automation. This is for an act of expression of gratitude for support or engagement after someone completes a purchase, signs up for a service, or takes a desired action for your offer. The number 4 autoresponder email automation you can set up in your inbox is lead nurturing autoresponder email automation. This is another part of it that you can leverage to grow your list by automatically sending series of emails to your subscribers as predefined intervals, delivering valuable content, building relationship, and guiding your subscribers through the sales funnel. All the above email autoresponders can be done typically by defining the trigger event or condition that should initiate the activities and set up the delivery parameters as at when they will be sent out. Remember, all of these are aimed to deliver targeted content, nurture leads, and guide subscribers through a specific journey or sales funnels. In order for you to set up the desired email automation sequence discussed earlier, you typically need an email marketing automation softwares like HubSpot, EmailSmart.io, Constant Contact, Active Campaigns, Omnisend, ConvertKit, and all the rest of them to determine the time intervals between each email and set up a trigger for the campaign to start for each subscriber. These triggers can be action taken by the subscribers, such as sign up, making a purchase, or clicking on a specific link. You must ensure that the automated email sequence campaign is carefully crafted to deliver a specific message or value to the subscriber, meaning that the content should be relevant, personalized, and engaging with your subscriber. Now that you are inspired to automate your inbox, let's discuss some implementation guides to help you get started right away. Implementation number 1 is to clearly define your goal by determining what task you want to achieve in this automation process. Number 2 implementation is to choose the right tools that best fit your needs, because there are numerous email marketing tools available. So do your research and choose the one that works well for your niche. Look for features like automation workflow, integration capability, and user-friendly interfaces. Number 3 implementation is to start small to avoid being overwhelmed and frustrated along the process. Number 4 is to continuously test and optimize your automation strategy by monitoring the effectiveness of your strategy and adjust where needed to ensure you are getting the most out of your automated processes. Now is the moment we have been waiting for, talking about how to automate automate your email inboxes. The processes for email automations are: 1. Install an email marketing automation softwares like Omnisend, HubSpot, SalesMate, ConvertKit, Campaign Monitor, and all the rest of them, depending on which that is more related to your niche and your target. Number 2 process is to build and segment your email list based on your subscribers' interests and behaviors. Number 3 is to set up an automation trigger that will signal the specific actions that will trigger the message sending. Number 4 is to create campaign according to the interests and behaviors of your target audience. The last is to activate the automation to do the work for you while you are asleep or busy with doing some other jobs for yourself. Now you have the key to email automation processes. I encourage you to harness the power of email automation to transform your inbox from a chaotic mess to a well-oiled machine. Remember, it's all about saving time, increasing productivity, and achieving consistency. So give it a trial and let us know how it works for you in the comment section below. I want to say thank you for staying through this journey of email automation. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye for now until we meet again in the next video.